Maxil. One already, two and move. Maxil.
Ready, Maxwell.
One already, two and move.
Ready, 1, 2.
Waterhouse. When you say no, you're ready and one and ready. You said no, I'm ready.
Ready, I went 1 and 2 then. I was ready.
And you know wish me coulda take the thing back like a flu shot. But me every time I lay down, come back when me think more who I need it. Share that you cranny, me shoulda never do it non-stop. Me and you extra top tell people that. Never see me high, but no crap. You sit down to the boy, you can't get my back. Can't grab me with my money. Where with that?
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Well. Blessed love, blessed love. Welcome to Kid and Life in Jamaica. And happy Independence Day anywhere you are in the world. So you know today Jamaica is celebrating Independence Day, you know, so I'm heading out, you know, see I'm representing, I got my Jamaica color on. Look, colors. Representing for Jamaica. Yeah, so you know today they're keeping something, you know Jamaica always celebrate the Independence Day. You know, so you know in Halfway Tree, you know, I see them setting up stage and all this and all that. So that's what I'm gonna have a look today. You know, it's Independence Day, so we're out here in style, you know, Jamaica celebrating Independence Day. So blessed love to you all anywhere you're watching from. So remember to put the thumbs up when you're watching Kino live in Jamaica. Wait, put the thumbs up. I'm waiting. You haven't yet? What are you waiting for? Dim 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 dim. Did you put the light up? That's the wheel of fortune. It means you have to wheel up and come again. If you haven't put the thumbs up, just pause the video, go out, like, and then come back and we'll resume. So let's take you on the road with us. Blessed love. know guys, I'm knowing after 3, but it seems like nothing having started as yet. Now probably it's later on because the stage is over there because they're setting up where the park is, so nothing started as yet. Not at all. So I'm gonna check out CMA and see what's going on in the park. You know, walk a bit up the road, you know, to see what is happening same way. Because maybe it's a bit early, you know, because you know we're a morning person, so it's a bit early now, I think, you know. So let's go and see. But also they set out so you have the stage down there as well. So nothing not started yet. But something going on over there. Rastaman, original jerk man. Yeah man, so big me don't want to big up your now, so you can big up your thing and tell them where to find you.
Really jerk man, you don't know about me already man.
Yeah.
That's how we're there in a halfway through and half a load of jerk chicken. You just have to set up a shop for now to look for the thing happen. Don't know.
And you're always the year so.
Always, yeah.
7 days a week.
7 days a week, come on, always there to fame way. But I'm not there on 7 days a week, 5 out of 7.
5 out of 7.
Yeah, so
Because I notice if you went and pass here late in the night, you're still here the same way.
Yeah man, I hold it off and go and deal with the things here. Because you have people work late and empty them out and them are going to want something to eat. Just drop it at your chicken and running with the same way.
Yes. Yeah man, I'm like what I go on man. So right now as you can see guys, nothing not ready to start yet. Because you know it's what Independence Day.
Yeah,
you know,
Independence Day and we are going to start with a big party run on the side.
So Independence Day, so you know, so we are celebrate our independence. So we get how many years now from 1962? Yes. Yes, sir.
From the British, but British still control the thing.
Same way.
When you have a man like Parliament here, they call it Governor General.
Yeah. So them say we're free, but we're not free.
We're not free, we're not free.
But all the we try to free our mind.
Okay, but I don't know, we still keep free our mind, you know, like I said, and I keep things focused and build on what we have. Okay,
yes,
sir. What peace and love to everyone.
Yes,
and
yes.
keep the thing active. Okay.
Same way, man. So what's going on here today? There's an event going on.
On the side, they want to set up a street party later, whole thing active.
Oh, is it later on?
Yeah.
Oh, street party. Okay.
Halfway street party, whole thing active.
From what time till what time?
Right now, they want to about from 6 till about 3 in the morning.
Okay, okay. So you know, so later on up here.
Supposed to go on earlier on the side, but we know what going for the other one. But this one, I put up a schedule going.
Oh, no, sir. I'll go check it out, man. So guys, as I said, this is the location. Is
Warp Road.
Yes, Warp Road. So I'm always right across from GG Plaza.
Right beside Mandela Park.
Yes, you can't miss the Rasta man. See, you can't miss him. More love, general. Calvin. So when they come, they say, yo, Calvin, what the jerk there?
Alright.
The jerk is ready. You know?
Ready.
Big up yourself, big up yourself.
Yeah.
Yes, guys. So I'm saying it's right on Warp Road. Across from the bank, see me. You have the clock there, and it's right next to the park. You can't miss it. You can't miss it. So we're gonna check out what's going on in other place. You know, manners. So the Jamaican colors them out. The colors them are out. Jamaican colors are out. So around here, so you have the taxi, the loader man them. Road.
I'm gonna get provide, you know what?
This is where you get your taxis to go anywhere at all.
No man, you.
Eh?
I got one of that there for sale, best thing of the price.
Because you wanna, this can't work with my camera.
This could work with your phone though.
Yeah, but at the camera I don't want it for. You know, I like this, like the gimbal here.
At least you got it.
I like it. How much you selling this for?
I'm 12 for it.
12.
Water.
But this I go well nice.
Hello, water.
With a phone. But I want something for my camera, you know? Like. Yes. But this have a little tripod as well to say. Oh, good man, same here. The GoPro.
Sure, my savior.
Yeah man. The GoPro this, you know?
Hello, see my video.
As a mic, you see on the top.
Never said
Cool, man. The right thing you said. You know, because we need some more camera things here in Jamaica to sell. Because we don't really have much camera equipment here in Jamaica. You know? We have to keep on order them overseas. You know, but like the start.
For sure, man.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself. Tell them so much for them can find
you. Don't know, saying this is the original Don King right there in Jamaica. We just there hustle and do the thing straight.
Yes.
At a time.
And you hear right with them loading taxi, right? Them can find you. I always walk around.
Always walk around, show the whole of Jamaica.
So by the time you walk, man, it's gone.
Yeah, man, gone like that.
So you have to go reload, man.
All the time.
All the time. I hear the accent.
I did on the last one.
Okay.
See me from St. Vincent.
From St. Vincent.
Yeah.
Whoa. Welcome to Jamaica, man. Oh, you got memory card?
Yeah, man, I'm a last memory card.
Last memory card. How much for this?
This one, yeah? 5,000.
See the guy, see him have everything here. Everything, you see? Yeah, it's a good look. What about batteries? They sell camera batteries?
No camera batteries.
No camera batteries, just a memory card and them thing. But this you cannot go wrong, you see me? So you see, you have a lot of YouTubers here in Jamaica, you know, who also want something like this.
Yeah, he's a YouTuber too. So.
You're a YouTuber. So give your YouTube channel a shout out, man.
Business Direct. So just go up on the YouTube, go up on the TikTok, and just log on to it. The official Business Direct. Make it a date and don't be late.
Business Direct.
Business Direct.
From St. Vincent.
From St. Vincent. You're gonna find a full video Business Direct to Bahamas, and soon come a full direct to Jamaica.
How you like in Jamaica?
How I like it?
Yeah.
Best man. Can't go wrong. How many places you could go and still smoke a joint?
That is true. Relax, Jamaica is more free will, you know? Free, enjoy yourself, man.
Bless the
One love Jamaica, that's what we do with every time, you know?
Man, happy independence.
Same, man, happy independence. So, give, as I said, just in case if somebody want to contact you, forget one of these. Give them a number. Give them a number.
Just call me on 514-9463.
So it's
876-514-9463.
Yes, that is it.
Like I
Big
said,
up loader.
make it a day.
Taxi man. For sure. Happy Independence Day. Anything go.
Blessed love.
See it. Alright, go on and give your independence sign.
Hey Jamaica, big up the creator of all his creation. No, we're no greater. All we have to do is make the place a little safer. And that we are pray for the strength, the paper, well patriotic and dumb in the
Max Seal. Give us something else, man. It's too bad, man.
Even if we take planes, so we gonna brah. Now we're no nicer than yard. We fly Paris and Rome, but we come back home. Now we're no nicer than yard. Enough time we tour the world for an iron bird. Now we're no nicer than yard. All who are plan believe, no mark me word. Now we're no nicer than yard. Cause Jamaica are the heart of the world, are the nicest part of the world. Reggae boys, sunshine girl, for we grandma at the talk of the world. Plus our
part of the world. Yo, Maxfield. One and move, two and ready. Say gone already. One and move, two and ready. Drive where you gone already? Yeah. Maxfield. One and move, two and ready. Right now, I'm going to load today because right now them bad lyrics there. So how you drop the music thing? What go on? Where you start doing the music?
Every streaming platform.
Oh, you still doing music same way? Of course, because you can't stop, man. What's your artist name?
Dangerous. DANGERWASS. Every streaming platform, YouTube, all right.
Dangerous. So you have music video out as well?
Yeah, man. Check YouTube, man. Let them, man.
Yeah, your artist is bad, man. I like the lyrics, you know, and the melody. Kicking. One, Maxfield. One already, two and move. Maxfield.
Ready, Maxfield.
One already, two and move.
Ready, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Waterhouse. Where you said no, you're ready and one and ready. You said no, I'm ready. See, I represent France. Yeah. One and, see there, no, alright, no one ready. No one ready. The taxi they said no one ready. Right here we say one and ready. Two and move.
Ready, sir. 1, 2.
Two and move. Come now, Maxfield. Maxine. So how much me get for load?
Yeah?
How much me get for load? For be the loader man.
Yeah, anyway, war, you know?
For you? Alright.
Find the price.
My boss. They are hour now. Him set the price. See it there?
Maxine.
One hour me I beg. 1 hour. One already. Maxine. Yo, $25, 25.
If you don't just say this, you're full of content.
Yeah, see there? That's the 25. Touch through my general.
Maxine.
One already. Yeah, 2 hour move. You hear my general? Alright. So we get one already. 2 hour move. 2 hour move. 2 hour move. Waterhouse.
Maxine.
See it there? Can't lose. I'm out here. $25 each. You hear my general? What you say? $25 each. Alright.
Readily, Maxine.
Readily. Maxine, my general. Maxine. See it there? No one gone.
Two Maxine. Two again.
No. Where's the street party out here so later on? See you now touch your mic later. You just tell them say you give me 2 hours for the mic and you shell on the place, you know. We're so independent. Alright. So we need an independent song there. We need an independent song there out there later. So I'm out here later and I'm out.
Maxwell.
Alright. Waxfield. Come on. Watch that driver. Alright then, so may I go on with my general?
What's up there?
Kino Life in Jamaica. Check it on YouTube.
Kino Life.
Kino
Kino Life.
Life in Jamaica. Yeah, so it's right down there. So you know you're going to see your part. You see me? And you know people are going to start, but you're going to see it in the comment section. They must say, yo, what's bad, man? You know? Danger was.
Subscribe same time, no?
Yes. It says Kino Life in Jamaica.
Maxwell. Life or life?
Life, yeah, life.
Maxwell.
We celebrate life. Independence Day. Them say we're free, but we're not. But mentally we're free. You know, but we're not free of our country yet. We're not.
Enough nations.
We're not. Free will country, man. That is the thing, man. Free will country. You know, Independence Day. You know, we are celebrating. Love for deal with man this day, you know. Maxfield. One already, 2 and move. 3 and go. Alright then. Was, you know your thing going on? Maxfield, my general. See it here. 1 already. 2 and move. Alright. Maxfield. Alright, then we're gone. Alright, see there? That's how it done. Alright, here you go. Here you go. Hey man, Kino Life in Jamaica, yeah?
I know he is, man.
Yeah, Kino Life.
I follow you long before me come here.
You follow me a long time?
Before me come here, man.
So all the time you know, sir?
I think I stopped here.
Oh, okay.
And I am a YouTuber too. I am stuff, man.
Okay. So you see that? You could have killed me and I don't know. Guys, him say I follow me a long time. Imagine that.
You know, like, make it a date and don't be late today. You'll make sure and follow me, man. Straight out of Sydney, straight to your yard.
Alright. See there. Alright then, big up. Yes. Panas.
Yeah. Yeah, sir. Indian, you have a bite for me. Indian, you have a bite tray, please.
Independence Day. Now go on at the park.
Come on, Nata. You better than that.
Oh, go on. Nothing now go on in at the park. Well, them say nothing now go on in the park yet. Nothing now go on in at the park. Alright, them say nothing already yet in the park, so you know, so them say later on it's a different thing, you know. One Bama. Them say nothing now go on in the park. And later on everything will kick off. Yeah. Alright, so over there you have Digicel going with something upstairs. Things are going over the park. Something is going on upstairs, but how you reach upstairs? Walk one upstairs. Walk one upstairs.
Upstairs?
Yeah.
It's an event aquí.
Oh, so nobody can go up there?
Yeah.
The way you walk?
This side here.
Which side?
Let's go right here. I thought this was right.
Oh, right here? Okay. Watch. Okay. Watch out. Okay, so up here is where Digicel. So Digicel is having an event up here. Tallest man on earth. 9 life in Jamaica. Cooler man, big up, big up. No, cooler man, respect man for watching all the time, you know. Respect. So what's going on here today? Is that Independence Day thing?
Yes, just watch a race.
Okay.
Independence stuff.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, Independence. Guys, so it's Independence Day too. And how to have fun. The race is going on the big screen over there.
That's a 4 cents. A 5 cents the same. It is 5 cents after 6 cents. 5 cents credit, 5 cents credit the day for.
Take one picture for me now. Put me on them man.
No, hold on. Hold on, 15 cents. I think no, 15 cents. If you have 5 cents credit, that's 5 cents.
General, take that picture with you today. Yo, I know I'm not the tallest man in the world. Imagine that. I catch everything. I catch them too. Respect, you know.
Bro, you mind taking a photo with one of the KFC?
Yeah, man.
Or you don't want to like branding stuff?
No, man, it's alright, man.
You got one already, right? Or you don't get?
Eh?
You got one of the KFC boxes already?
No, I'm not eating chicken.
What is chicken?
No, man, I'm taking
You
care.
can't take it then, man. It's advertisement.
Oh, I fish for daily now. Vegetarian, you know? Yeah,
It's a vegetarian, you know?
Yeah. Wow. Say, buddy, I get free KFC and pizza. Jerk chicken pizza. KFC over here.
One at a time. No, just one at a time. One at a time.
Yeah. One of them you want? Alright, cool. Alright. I did promise you that we have lots of entertainment here this afternoon. And from you see the lady walk in, you know, see a big excitement. Because you know it's a lady will love for just dash out. Especially when she move her body. She is a female lyricist. And let me tell you.
What going here, so?
Olympic racing.
Okay.
But the sun kind of messing me up right now.
Look here, when you see them come out pretty today, all of the people that want a hungry belly, come over here, sir. All of the people that want a hungry belly, come over here, sir. All of the good girls, them say, why from your proud of athlete, them say, why look at the next one. FIFA. I want the DEM. Most all of my hot girls walk out now. So me say up 2, 3, 4 hot girls. That is it. True or not? Just up 2, 3, 4 hot girls. Take the make land. Move your body, move your body, move your body, move your body, girl. Your body, move your body. Center to center, slap on it. We have a pelota, baseline on it. Oh, that a shot, young one free. Have a couple salty, a man one tea. But we have a bubble in our response to them. So let's have a party. Alright then. Everybody roll this up. How are the TEM? Oh, we are party. If I'm ready, what up? Are you ready for have fun? Yes. Till the next restaurant? All of the wife of them in the house make some nice, please. Lionel. All of the wife of them in the house make some nice, please. Alright. All of the mates of them in the house make some nice, please. No mates in the here. See this man. Pull up, nicely. Run it back. One is the meeting of the year. When you look, if you're going to sing for the meeting, you know why? If you put that tape back, touch, put that tape back. So I'll let chat to watch it. Chat to my back. This is not your song. This is not your song. The soon call you for your song. What is up for them? That is it. That's your song. That's your lady. And you know that. Gonna blow the hands and stuff for me. One baby, where's your mommy? Can I sing a song for you? Yes! Where is it? Yes! Look how the mate here reach here to never come tell me say me to start over about my song now, dear God. I can sing a song for you now? Yes! I can show you some multi-talented? Yes! Play the next one. This song. If you love reggae music, say oh yeah! Oh yeah! Never say for the no good music. Tell me that boy over there. My God. It's not that I don't love you. You know how much I do. And it's not that I feel so. You sang good, no? Well, all of the girls that were them ex-boyfriend. You alone here? When name? Come tell me when name.
You ate it?
Come here, when name? Alvin, what your name is? Alvin. What your name? Alvin Maria hates you. Anyway, you're there now, after Alvin, Maria hates you.
You ate the ex-boyfriend?
Maria hates you. We can sing a song? Let it go.
She ate him.
Okay, I wonder who is about there. Is it me? Me not like my ex-boyfriend. Thank God me and him. That's why I'm there right now. I can't sing for you. Certify height your ass. You know how I feel about him? And you know wish I could have taken the thing back like a slingshot. But me every time I lay down. Come back when you think more who I made it. Share that you're cranny. We should have never do it non-stop. Me and your ex-attack tell people now. You can feel your eye. No crap. You think that to my boy you can't get my back. Can't grab me with my money. Where is that? Try everything and I rub this food. Something like that, say come out of your way. Now you are good as it is. And if you matches, I want to see everybody man up. Some people cannot follow the man in the sun because they're green. And I be a red upstairs. I be a red I want to them too. I want to them some girls face red like Christmas carol. I want to them. I want to them. And everybody black like pumpkin. Because it's it will bring us water. Bam 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 water. Go round over here. I know. I know this because my name is Maxine, and it is like a bunch of rules. If I ever tell you about Maxine, you will say I don't know. What you know? Hey! Murder she know. I can't sing my favorite beat, man. You think me no know? With Tifa, you know. People who want to line up and I'm getting a push on autograph on Tifa. And don't know Tifa, big star, you know, getting a picture. No, so,
Save you, one save you. Let the beats.
I want you to put your attention to the screen right now.
Belongs to Matia Colonial. They're picking up from the
Here's the middle right now!
It is very cool. It is very steep. Watch it. It will become very steep, I think. People are not sure to remember.
Alright, people, when they can't stand up in front of the screen, while people sitting, they're watching the screen. Come to the side, please.
That runway.
Oh my God, what a jump!
But I think he's gonna have to settle for bronze.
What a jump!
Fabulous year for him.
A
And
jump!
to win an Olympic medal at 19 years old is an excellent achievement.
Wow! People don't stand in front of the screen, please. Stand to the side. While people who are sitting, who are watching.
To spare.
Alright? What a jump by Italy.
120 record holder is an Olympic bronze medalist. Even as we wait.
guys, that was a good celebration there for Jamaica Independence Day taking place on the top of the transport center in Alpha Tree. Up there was hectic. You know, so that is an artist, her name is Tifa. You can also check her out on YouTube as well. You know, she's one of them known popular dancehall artists as well who have multiple hits out there as well too. Her name is Tifa. You know, she done song with feature with Dexter Daps and many more as well. You know, so happy Independence Day to each and every one that's out there. Independence Day. Yes, so we'll give thanks. So we're out here. So, you know, I'm going to get a smoothie. You know, I have to get a smoothie up by my place before I head down back to go start myself out, because today we got a football match. You know, so places are a bit quiet everywhere else. You know, so there's only a few people out, few places out, but them say later on, after 3 by the clock, will be on fire. You know, really on fire later on. Sweaty. So I hope you enjoy that moment there with the performance and everything, you know. So them say we're free, but mentally we should be free. You know, but the country still under bandage. Same way. You know. Free your mind. That is it. So you see later on from now all the KFC over there is gonna be packed. Not asking, I'm telling you. KFC is gonna be loaded over there later on. When everyone come out. KFC. Nobody does it better. So 3 o'clock. So I'm on time right now. Yeah man, so the place is a bit quiet. Calm and everything for the Independence Day. So everywhere is calm and quiet. You're not going to see too many traffic neither. You know, so that is good. Representing. Is it open though? I'm wondering, is it open? Should be. So you can see Jamaica flags representing on each and every stores across the road over there, on top of Starbucks here around the plaza as well too. So representing Jamaica everywhere. Look, pair Jamaica flags representing. Ha. Smile Jamaica. So this is what Jamaica looks like. And holiday, everywhere is quiet. It's not open, guys. So imagine all of the fast food stores them are open, but the L2 one is not. That's not good. You know, it is close. Close. So see? So imagine that the fast food, the Wendy's, the the Wendy's, the what you call the Burger King, the KFC, all them things is open, but the healthy store, healthy food is not open, but the fast food is open. You know, imagine that. The fast food is open, but the healthy one is closed. So, oh, living food. It's a living Independence Day, and you're not open. You're closed. Burger King over there is open. Island Grill is open. KFC is open. Sakura there is open. Wendy's down there is open. Hey. Well, the healthy food place is not open. It's not. Whoa. And the sun is wide open. So wait there. Oh God. Alright guys, so we stop off at Island Grill. You get veggie stew, you know, and callaloo rice and green juice. Right, Island Grill. I was gonna get my veggie burger, but they closed, so now I come here on Island Grill to have this veggie stew and callaloo rice with steamed cabbage. It's not so bad. Really not so bad. So because I've been on vlogging, so I have to have something now to eat. So when I'm going to play football. Go down. So this is at Island Grill. So this is my callaloo rice and my veggie stew, the peas stew with veggie chunks. So this is veggie chunks. Yeah, you ever had veggie chunks before and steamed veg, callaloo, cabbage and carrot, well steamed. And my green juice, bootsa. They call it the bootsa. Yeah, man, boots up right now for the play for car. Actually, it tastes good, you know. It's not tasting bad. It's not tasting bad after all, you know, so I want to try the juice. So this green juice is callaloo, cucumber and celery. Yes. So callaloo, cucumber and celery. Whoa. Let's see what it's like. Yes, so I lose it. So I finished at my veggie stew, you know, and callaloo rice. And you know the thing goes and the green juice. So yeah, it wasn't so bad. So we still give thanks. So still representing with the green. Everything was green today. Callaloo rice green. And the stew was different color. So I'm heading on back to my vehicle. Call it a day. So I got a football game soon and very soon. So that's the stage setting up for later. So you know, later the whole of this main road here is going to be block off later on. See, later on out here is packed celebrating Independence Day. So you see the stage is already set. So later on, street party here in Jamaica. Street party later on. Street party. Street party later on. Honey. Get my vehicle and go about my way. I've been walking up for a very long time. Whoa, in the sunshine. I need to go rest my legs now till much time.
Yeah, my boss, 1720 out.
1720. I have a Lamborghini in here, so walk up.
Watch out now. You see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.